Alright, we just about got everything stripped down besides the front here. The rear end disconnected. It's down and out of the way. I think what I'll do is just take the trailing arms off, brush around that spot, those spots there, and throw some Rust-Oleum paint in there and put the new trailing arms on for now, just so they're on there. I feel like it should be sufficient for now, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. The exhaust, I went ahead and unbolted that so I can get to all the bolts and stuff on the trailing arms. Just made it easier. Wasn't much left to unbolt. It's about 6 bolts to get that down. Okay, so we're going to take the control arms off the front here, and then we should be to a point where it's just going to be a frame. And I don't know, I may just try to clean up around those parts and spray some black around it, put it all back in, and roll on with it, because I really don't want to have it just a frame that I have to carry around. I'd rather it be able to roll. So that's probably what we'll do.